Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with an update to this workflow automation on the Google Sheet. So to add the drop-down menu, further options. So for example, we have these options in here. And if you want to add any new actions in it, you can always click on the drop-down, go to the right top, and you will see a pencil on the right bottom. Click on this, and it will show you where the values are coming from. Either the values are coming without any reference in this cell, it means the values are entered directly in here. I'll show you that too. But currently it's showing that the data is coming from controls tab, column N, starting from 4 to N to 28. We can raise up to 40. So you don't need to do that, but you can see, okay, so the range is coming from in here. Okay, click close and then go to the controls tab, and here you will see the range. The initial range was from here to here, which is 28. So I'm going to increase it to 40. All right, so anything added in here, let me add, will automatically show up on this tab right at the bottom. You can see new item added. If I'll delete from here, it will get deleted from this drop down menu as well. So this is how you can add this. But all of these are not coming directly from any sheet. So for example, this one, there is yes, no above, no below. Again, if you want to make any change in it, just click on this pencil side. Go to this option, and here you can see there is no reference of any other sheet, but the direct drop down. So here you can add, for example, if you want to add a new item, this is how you can add. So add another item, click on it, another item. Once you are satisfied, click done, and that's okay. But now, if the same reference or the ranges are used in all the other, if the same options are being used in multiple drop downs, you can either apply to all or just this instance. I don't want to apply in any of these, so I'll click escape, or I'll click just this instance. So this is applied only on this one. Okay, so then again I'll click on the pencil and I'll go here, and I don't want this. You can simply click it and press done. You are done. You don't need to see this part. For example, if you want to make any change in this one, go to the pencil, make the changes, click OK, and then come out. So that is it. These are the two ways we can update the drop down. Like, let's check this one. Very few, yes, no, and pencil. Click yes, no, pencil. If you want to make any changes in these, you can always make the change and set down. That's it. Done. All right. So hope this helps. Looking forward for your review. Please do let me know if you need any further clarification. Looking forward for your review. Take care.